and welcome back to Absolute Periwinkle. It's me Siddhi, and I know it's been a while since I last posted my video, but here I am back with all the real fun stuff and some really creative DIYs. So आज का जो वीडियो है, that video is on some interesting yet simple and really creative gift wrapping ideas. ये आइडियाज बहुत ही ज़्यादा सिंपल टू डू है, बहुत क्रिएटिव है एंड इनके लिए जो भी आपको मटेरियल चाहिए पड़ेगा वो ऑलरेडी आपके घर पे अवेलेबल होगा, तो नो एक्स्ट्रा मटेरियल इज नीडेड. एज द सीजन इज ऑफ फेस्टिवल्स एंड फेस्टिवल्स में जनरली हम गिफ्ट्स एक्सचेंज करते हैं, सो आई थॉट दिस वीडियो वुड बी अप्रोप्रिएट फॉर नाउ. ऑल्सो अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है देन प्लीज 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 सब्सक्राइब करिए. द बटन इज जस्ट राइट बिलो देयर. एंड अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए देन ऑल्सो प्रेस द लाइक बटन. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी फर्दर टाइम लेट्स गेट टू द वीडियो.
So for our very first style, we are gonna need some wool that is of similar shades and tones, a scissor, some sellotape, and the box that we are gonna wrap. So basically my box was brown in color. If you are having a colorful box, then you can first wrap it using a brown paper and then further start with the process. So first of all, I am gonna stick one end of the wool using the sellotape on the back of the box. Now I'm just gonna wrap the wool approximately 4 to 5 times around the box. Now I'm gonna secure its second end also with the sellotape. Moving on, I'm gonna use now some orange yarn and do the same thing with it. And then with the red yarn too. Now here I have made some pom-poms and I'm gonna stick them in a particular pattern with some glue. So here we stick it. And yeah, we are pretty much done here. So here's our very first style already. Moving on to our second style. This style is basically for some small pendant or some really small stuff that you wanna give exclusively in a small handmade packet kind of thing. So let's move on. For this one, we are gonna need some A4 size paper, a pair of scissors, some sketch pens maybe or some paints, a double-sided tape, scale and pencils. First of all, I'm gonna divide the A4 size paper into its half and cut it. Now I'm gonna fold it nearly to its half again, but leaving a small part, the white colored part on which I have stuck the double-sided tape, empty. Now by removing the upper layer of the double-sided tape, I'm gonna stick it through to its another end. So here we are done with the basic structure. And now I'm gonna use some Fevicol to secure its one open end. After this, I am using some black paint and a rubber ended pencil to make some black spots. Make sure that the paint is not too much, and yeah, it's pretty much quick here. Now I'm gonna put the pendant inside it. And again I'm gonna stick its another open end using some Fevicol. Make sure it sticks properly. And now I'm gonna fold it once. And clipping it up using a wooden pin. Moving on to our third style. For this style I'm gonna use again some black paint, a paintbrush, some white colored wool and a button. So I'm gonna take some black paint in a flat brush and put some random strokes, making some rectangularish impressions on the paper. I'm gonna cover my whole box using this. Now I'm taking some of my wool and the button and getting the wool through this button once and then once again. Now we are tying the wool, or basically you can secure it using a sellotape too. Cutting its extra edges. And now we once again take some other part of the wool and get it through the button once more. And we again secure its end using some sellotape. Moving on to our fourth style, which is very vintagey in theme. Here I am wrapping a book using some brown paper in a manner different in the ordinary one. So basically first I am sticking its one edge to the book using some sellotape. Then turn around the book and make a straight line near its one end using a scale and a pencil. Now we are going to fold on that line that we made. And then flatten it in a manner shown. Now we are gonna make a fan pattern, that is fold and unfold pattern, almost 3 to 4 times. Now we are gonna flatten it. And secure its both ends using some sellotape. Now we are gonna quickly wrap like we usually do the rest of the part. So once we are done with this, here I have got some roadside flowers that we generally find and some dried flowers too, along with a leaf. So I'm gonna arrange them, tie them and then stick them to this to give it a more fresh look along with that vintage vibe. And voila, we are all done here.
So here we are. at the end of our video and I really hope कि आप सबको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया and आप लोग जल्दी वो सारे आइडियाज को ट्राई करेंगे. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया then please do hit the like button and अगर आपको मेरे साथ कुछ भी इंट्रैक्शन करनी है then my Facebook page and my Instagram handle are right below here by the name of absolute_periwinkle. So yeah, stay connected, stay tuned and bye bye.